I'm going to show you how to remove your seat from your Zoom 360. First we start with the footrest. Lift that up. We've got a strap down here that supports the bottom of the seat. Take that out. And both sides come out of there. Then I take the stroller and turn it on its side. And there are 3 screws you're going to undo down here. So first we'll unsnap the fabric. And here you have 1, 2, 3. So I start down here. Unscrew the first screw. It can stay in the fabric if you like until you're ready to collect them. There's 2. And the 3rd. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then you'll have this last strap down here connected from the bottom of the seat to the basket. Right here, you'll just unscrew just like you did on the front. Okay, so now you've taken off all the screws and snaps, and this is what it looks like with your seat off. I'm going to first point out at the bottom seat strap, you have this strap that goes through. To take it off completely, and I didn't do this for video time's sake, there's this little slit in the D-ring here, and you will slide this fabric through and off. Then you can take it completely off the frame. Then you're going to slide it back through, put your D-ring on. Then take your other strap, you go over and through. You can let the seats lay down. Then you're going to go push this little moving bar to the front, put the strap through, then move that little bar back and go back through. And that's how it'll tighten. Give it a good tighten. Then we'll work our way up. So here's the tab here. Note, you might not have a hole in here. You might just have to make that hole yourself, and that's just sticking the screw through. So you'll take our screw that we had here. So once you have it through, there's a little hole back here. Nice and tight. There you go. Then I would snap it together to give you a little more support as you move up. You can move that canopy forward. Next one you want to do is the middle. They're little parts. snap. You have a hole here in the corner of this piece, corner of the seat. First you want to grab the corner of your canopy, double that over, get that screw through again. Alright, I got it through some, so I'm going to stick it right there in the pre-drilled hole of the frame and tighten. This is a little bit of a challenge, but we know y'all can do it. Alright, nice and tight. Now you're going to continue to do that on the other side of the chair, the seat. Oh, don't forget this one down here. Double that over. I find it easy to stick the fabric through first, even though it's difficult. You can go through one and then the other. You can always undo your basket. Give you a little more room.